Hey, my name is Charlotte. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool dispenser part #W10861000. The Whirlpool dispenser part #W10861000 is a replacement part for a refrigerator water dispenser. It is designed to dispense cold water from the refrigerator and can be used with most Whirlpool refrigerators. The dispenser includes a push-button switch, which allows you to select between cold and room temperature water. The dispenser also includes an adjustable flow rate, allowing you to control the amount of water that is dispensed. The part is made of durable plastic and comes with all necessary hardware for installation. This part fixes the following symptoms. The Whirlpool dispenser part #W10861000 is designed to replace the dispenser actuator on certain models of Whirlpool refrigerators. This part is used to fix issues with the dispenser not working properly, such as not dispensing water or ice, or dispensing too much water or ice. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unpack the dispenser and check for any damage. 2. Remove the mounting screws from the back of the dispenser and set aside. 3. Place the dispenser in its desired location, making sure it is level and secure. 4. Using a drill, make 2 holes in the wall for mounting screws. 5. Insert the mounting screws into the holes and tighten them securely with a screwdriver or drill bit. 6. Connect the water line to the back of the dispenser using a wrench or pliers to tighten it securely. 7. Plug in the power cord to an outlet and turn on power switch lock. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.